Does your eyeliner constantly smudge? Well, I have a solution. I'm going to show you guys what I wear every day, no smudging. Our Winging It waterproof liquid liner. So here's the waterproof liquid liner and the brush that we use to apply it. You can see I already have it on this side to show you what it looks like, and on this side I'm going to teach you how I do it. Now at the store I use the back of my hand as a palette, but when it's your own for sanitation reasons, you can just dippity-doo-dah right into that felt tip. So I grab a little bit off of the end of the product, and then I start by tight lining from the inside lower portion of the upper lash line. So I'm just pressing and wiggling into the base of the lash, and this is going to hide that pink membrane, making my eyelashes look twice as thick and the whites of my eyes look brighter. Once I'm tight lined, I then do my dovetail. So I give it a little bit of lift on the outer corner of the eye first. It's going to look a little crazy, but just bear with me and trust the process. I slowly taper it in, and you see how I'm going from out to in instead of from in to out. If you go this way, the brush is going to drag your skin and give you a dotted line. So we'll go against the grain and go towards the center of your eye. You do want to go all the way across, but just make sure it's thinner and tapered off towards the inner part of your eye. So there it is on both eyes. Let me show you the next step that I do to clean up the edge. So to clean it up, I have a little bit of concealer on my brush, and I go right underneath my eye and clip the edge of the eyeliner. This gives it that faded ombre winged look at the very end. Look up close at the difference of this eye and the winged liner on this eye. Much better fade out on this side.